Hello. In this video I will show you how to build a tool for removing this part from the engine. So this is that tool. I made this tool as simple as possible. There are no finesse. It is similar to the original tool that you can buy on eBay or somewhere. So original tool also have one part that goes here, and I think that part is for removing the crankshaft from the housing, but I think that this is a tool that you can use for the standard Max engine, since the Special Max and Super Max have different bearings, so I don't need this tool. So let's begin. Now the thickness of this steel plate is 6 mm. You can probably use 5 mm, but I had this plate, so I use this one. So this part is 200 mm long, and this one is 150. And this is 85, and same as this one. Now these parts are not the same, are different, but because I didn't have this part same as this, so I use what I had, and it will work okay. Now you need to drill 3 holes, this one, and this one. Those 2 holes are here because I made a mistake, so they are irrelevant, and those 3 holes need to be lined up with these 3 holes. So the first hole, the center of this hole is 35 mm from here and 35 mm from here. Let's call this upper, and this one will be the right part. So from the right 35, and from the upper part also 35. So this is how this part will be from looking. So I draw this line here, since this part is not nice done, and so this part will be let's call it a neutral line. From this line I will measure other 2 holes. Okay, so from the upper part, this hole is 64, and from this line is 65. This lower hole is from the line 30, and from the upper 92. Now when you put dots on that center, you will also need to check on the engine, did you made some mistake like I did. So on this aluminium part you will also measure between the holes. So this between these two holes are 74 millimeter, same as here. This one is a 65. Now I did made a mistake. This one on this plate is 64, but that isn't important because I have drilled bigger holes, and from these two holes is a 44. Now the minimum is 8 millimeter holes, but you can drill, this one is a 9 millimeter, but you can also drill a 10 millimeter, so it will give you lots of space if you make a mistake a little, if your holes are not 100% correct. Now you will need these bolts. This threaded part is 84 millimeter, and as I said, it is 8 millimeter. We need to screw this bolt little by little in one circle. So this one a little bit, this one. So this is it all for this video. I forgot to tell you that this part is built from 3 parts. So this part is welded here, and that's it. It took about 1.5, maybe 2 hours to build this tool, and that's it. It's not nice, but it's working. So see you in next video.